Esme, how big is Esme? So big! Esme. Oh, you're tired. Is that what you wanted to tell me? How big is Esme? So big! Anything else you want to say? It's hard to film with one hand and play this game with the other, huh? Oh, are you hungry? You gonna smile, Esme? How big is Esme? So big! Well, she certainly feels passionately about it. Love you. I love you, big girl. And that is a hungry face.